Alright, students, I just want to go over a couple things with you that you might not realize are in the online version of the textbook. Like, why would you want to reuse the online version if you already have the real book in front of you? Well, one of the things is, like we said, learning on your own is kind of tough, so I'm going to put together some extra videos to try and help. But if you didn't realize, the book itself has a lot of good features. So, for example, if you hover over it with the...
if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse
there
of
you
the
go.
right triangle, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other.
It will read it out to you. The other thing is there's lots of tutorials. Anytime you see this little thing here, it's a tutorial. So they'll go through an example tutorial of example 1. It'll bring it up in a separate little window.
Similar triangles in the diagram. Sketch the 3 similar right triangles so that the corresponding angles and sides have the same orientation.
Alright, so for the problems, they'll actually show you where are the 3 triangles, or there's 2 inside and the bigger outside one. And that's what they show you. And there's little video clips for different ones, so check those out. So you'll notice those on a lot of the examples, but even on these other ones around here, problem number 3, that little triangle right there, click it and it'll open up a new little video for you. And again, it also has Spanish if you would prefer. So check out all those different options. There's lots of other ones, and let me show you some of those too. 2 other features that are kind of neat. You can add highlights to, you can highlight different sections. You can also add notes to different sections, and that's kind of a neat little feature. The other thing, of course, you're going to want to do is add these things to your online notes. And so for your online notes, you want to grab things like this. Right there, that theorem, and maybe an example or 2. Right there, that's some pretty good information. So that, between those things, that'll hopefully help you get through the chapter. And of course, email me if you have other questions. The other website you want to use is mathisfun.com. Alright. If you go into mathisfun.com, you'll see different sections, and what you want to search for this particular one is the right triangle similarity theorem. So there it is, having in the search bar. And again, I don't expect you to memorize that long name. That's, of course, in the title, section 9.3 in our book. If you just look it up in there, you'll know what to search for. And there's a bunch of different things on right triangles. So if you want other things on right triangles, this is a good place to check. There's a lot of stuff, all right? So start with our book first and go to other websites and other resources if the examples here are not enough. And of course, please email me and I'll add some other additional videos to this as well. Thanks for watching.